Using a smartphone to capture special moments and share them in social network has become a modern lifestyle. However, shooting videos with your smartphone during movement is never easy. The footages are always shaky and blurry. Therefore, Gimbal stabilizer was invented to solve this problem. At SNOPPA, we're always looking for new solutions to create a really powerful and convenient filming device. After 12 months of hard work, we're proud to introduce the Atom. Atom comes with SNOPPA's unique non-orthogonal structure, which prevents the side motor from blocking the phone. The unique arm structure allows Atom to be folded into the size of your palm. You can keep it in your bag or even in your pocket. Mounting the phone on Atom is extremely fast. Put your phone in the middle of the holder, just like the way you would on a selfie stick. Atom weighs only 440 grams, so your arms won't be tired after long hours of shooting. Atom is lightweight, but strong enough to support up to 310 grams, which is the best in its class. This allows you to attach a high-quality but heavy lens to drastically improve the filming experience. To flip the orientation, just assign the movement to the button or flip it manually with your hands. Atom is the first gimbal to enable filming and charging at the same time. With Atom, you can even charge your phone wirelessly or use the provided cable to charge without messy fiddling. Atom is the first to include a mic jack inside the gimbal body, which allows people to connect an external high-quality microphone. We've designed a set of control buttons that better meet different filming requirements. The four-way joystick allows you to manually control the camera movement. The shutter button controls the start and stop recording and taking photos. The menu button allows you to call up the pop-up menu in the app. The customizable buttons on the left and the back allow you to assign the functions by yourself. The slide button can be used to control zoom or focus. With the Atom app, people can get more control over their shooting methods. You can use the joystick to select among various photo modes and video modes. In the gimbal setting panel, you can freely assign preferred functions to the customized button just the way you like it. In addition to smartphones, the Atom also supports action cameras like GoPro Hero series. With Atom, we want everyone to be able to get the smoothest mobile filming experience, so you can capture all your memorable moments with just the touch of a button.